Hi, this is Frank with Servac Management Services coming at you from the think tank. Today we're going to take you to the field to show you how easy it is to install a geothermal well. This particular project is a 4-ton residential system which only requires one 200-foot borehole with a double loop. So come on out to the field to see how it's done. Here we have the double loops that we're going to put in this well. You attach the tips of these together kind of in this manner. We're using the dog bone. This is a quad bone right here. If you go out to their website, they show you exactly how to put these double loops together and how to arrange these tips. We've got a weight on the end of it to help drag it down into the hole. We don't anticipate any problems putting this down into the hole on the couple we've done so far. The weight of the pipe at first, we'll just take and that weight on the end, we'll just drag it down into the hole without any problem until you get down below the water level in the hole. Last hole we drilled had 140 feet of water in the bottom of it. It's a 200-foot hole. So once you hit that water, the pipe will go down some amount. And then you need to start, and then it'll stop because of the buoyancy in the pipe. What you do is fill them up with water, and as you fill up each of the pipes with water, the weight just drags it down to the bottom of the hole. This is the backfill for our hole. We have quartz sand, quartz silica sand, with Oakley's in there, making sure we got it good and stirred up, and then we have half number 10 limestone. And we're just going to load this in with the front end loader and shovel it down in a hole and flush it down with some water. So that's how we're going to do our backfill and make sure we get the hole completely backfilled. Here, our driller friend, John Meinert, is dowsing the area to determine where groundwater is running in the fissures of the rock. This is an important step because holes with the most groundwater perform the best. Once the location of the well is determined, when the drilling rig's set, the drilling operation begins. One of the most difficult tasks for drillers is to control the water so as not to make a mess. Here, we've excavated a pit to decant off the drilling water and accumulate the cuttings. The well drilling operation with John's rig took less than 2 hours. Once the well has been drilled, it is measured to determine its actual depth and the depth of the groundwater table. In this well, the water table was found to be 60 feet from the surface, leaving us with 140 feet of water in the bore. This well has only 5 feet of soil or overburden, which did not require surface pipe, also referred to as casing. We've prepared the double 3/4 inch U-tubes by laying them out to ease installation. Once the weight is inserted into the hole, the tubes will literally fall until they encounter the groundwater table, and then they become buoyant. To get the assembly completely inserted, water is pumped into the tubes and the assembly settles to the bottom of the bore. The last step in the borehole installation is backfilling the hole with a sand limestone fill. This method was chosen over using thermally enhanced grout because of ease of installation, lower cost, and better thermal performance. As always, bentonite is used to seal the surface water from entering the groundwater table at the surface of the bore. I hope you found this video informative and have gained a greater understanding of how a vertical closed-loop geothermal well is installed. Visit our website for more information on how we design geothermal heating and cooling systems for commercial and residential buildings.